quarantined during this season? So am I. So why don't you join me during Learn Language during lunch? During this time, me, Queen Bee, Dr. Bee, I'll be helping you learn Creole Haitian, Haitian Creole, one of the most beautiful, dynamic, incredible languages in the entire monde. That's the world. I can't wait for you to join me tomorrow, Friday, at noon during your lunchtime. During this time, I'm going to teach you pieces of the language, this beautiful language, and you might just be able to have a beautiful conversation with somebody that's from Haiti. I can't wait for you to join me, Queen Bee, Dr. Bee, tomorrow at noon, provided by P4H Global.